Good afternoon, everyone. Our team consists of Upekkha, Zika, Hana, Nanda, and Novi will present our final project of new marketing strategy of iFood. So, iFood is a retail in the food sector that sells 5 categories, which is wines, meat, fruits, fish, and Swiss products to 1 million consumers a year through a 3 sales channel, which is physical stores, catalog via email, and a company's website. However, the problem arises due to uncertainty in the next 3 years' profit growth. Therefore, our research is to find what effective marketing initiatives that should be implemented to increase company revenue and leading to boost company profit. The dataset is obtained through GitHub of the real company iFood located in Brazil. The raw data consists of customer demographic, channel that iFood use, and campaigns acceptance. The observed issue within this dataset is first the ineffective targeting of irrelevant offers in iFood campaign. The second one is the need of marketing strategy to boost revenue from fish, fruits, and sweets products. And the third one is effective customer retention strategy. And based on the issue, our research dive into this literature. And the first one, we will focus on the customer segmentation of iFood. Customer segmentation is a strategic approach used to divide the customer base into distinct groups based on the shared characteristic using, the clustering. Usually, the segmentation could be influenced by demographic, behavior, psychographic, and geographic. This is also used to create marketing campaign evaluation. And in this research, the campaign marketing evaluation is analyzed by consumers' purchasing patterns. Therefore, based on the explained literature, we will focus on using multiple regression, data visualization, and clustering to conduct this research. Okay. First, we prepare the data by cleaning the data from the missing value and outlier based on the box plot. Then, we coded the categorical data of marital and education status into binary, and we transform the birth year into the customer age. Then, next step, we analyze the regression by assuming that the data is linear using pairwise linearity with scatter plot and analyze the correlation matrix. We could conduct 2 regression. The first one, we use multiple regression to analyze the relationship customer demography to the customer spending behavior. The second one, we use multivariate analysis of variance or ANOVA to analyze the relationship between the customer spending, behavior, and campaign acceptance. Okay, then we found out that within the observed variable, the blue highlighted data is linear. The observed variable also have correlation with each other, except specific marital status towards spending, a certain spending behavior. And this insight will be used in the regression later. Okay. So next part is the multiple regression. However, in this part, the conclusion, I will explain it later in the end of the regression process. And in this part, resulted in the 5 model, consists of wines, fruits, okay, meats, fish, and sweets. And the multivariate regression, right? The multivariate, the multivariate analysis of variance model resulted in 5 responses, consists of campaign acceptance to first and 5th campaign. And the result of this regression is used to construct, the customer profile. For easier understanding, we split the construction into 2 sections. The first section is the customer spending behavior to campaign acceptance, and this is the customer profile. And the second section is the customer spending behavior to campaign acceptance. Okay. Well, based on this, we could conclude that all of the campaign is accepted by high income, high education with no family member or less family member customer with spending behavior on wines and meats. Additionally, the second and third campaign is accepted by average income and family member customer with spending behavior on foods, fish, and sweets. The fourth campaign is accepted by basic level education with lower income and several number of family members. And the fifth one is accepted by customer with spending behavior on sweets. Okay. Then the second step is visualization. We found out that shopping in store is contributing to the biggest revenue based on the product, find and meet dominating shopping basket. Well, and based on the demographic, a very high income customers spend than 6 times compared to medium income customer. Family without kids or teens spend significantly more compared with ones with kids or teens. Okay, and based on the data, we conduct the clustering, the third step. We use clustering to segment the customer based on the regression analysis and the insight taken from the visualization. To create clustering, we select the variable or feature that we use based on the clustering using the variance threshold result. Then we calculate the silhouette score to check the validity and find what is the optimum amount of cluster. Then we conduct the clustering using key means method. Okay, we conduct two clustering. The first one, the result is based on the 34 variable across dataset. We choose 23 with the variance higher than 0.1. And we got 2 as the silhouette score. And then we got this visualization. Right? This visualization, tada! And the first cluster in this characteristic is the middle to low income customer with a middle to low amount purchase. While the second cluster characteristic is middle to high income with a middle to high amount purchase. And the second clustering is focused on the accepted campaigns of first to fifth. Okay, so we got 7 as the silhouette score, and we got this visualization. The visualization only shown 2 components, as this is already explained, 62.17% of the point variability. So that's a lot. And the characteristic behind this clustering is the first cluster, cluster number 1, reject all campaign, cluster number 2, accept the fourth campaign, the cluster number 3, accept at least 3 or more campaign, the cluster number 4, accept the third campaign, the cluster number 5, accept the fifth campaign, and some of the customer accept the fourth campaign. This cluster number 6, accept the first and fifth campaign, and some customer also accept the campaign number 3rd or 4th, and the last cluster accept the first campaign. So, based on our data analysis and visualization, our proposed marketing initiative that should be implemented to increase both company revenue and leading to boost company is, the first one is personalized marketing campaign with bundling, seasonal campaign, and personal demographic sale. Well, it's also to boost underperforming sales, especially fruits, fish, and sweets. We also propose to launch a targeted reactivation campaign for customer with middle to high recensive values by offering time-sensitive promotion that highlight the customer past purchase. Okay, so but additionally, we further propose to boost underperforming channel by targeting younger customer with personalized spending behavior product, first-time purchase discount, and dynamic pop-up. To spice things up, we also propose to use KOL, influencer, and ethical trends to further target younger generation customers to further promote the campaign, especially in the healthy product. So, to wrap this up, we maximize iFood sales and underperform products with targeting high-income, high-spending customers and tapping the new potential market, which is the younger generation with high income, with high income, and with the promotion consists of wine bundled up with unpopular products as a creative offering. Furthermore, although digital and catalog channels are growing, in-store purchase remains the dominant channel. Well, in-store campaign can also strengthen the engagement and tapping frequency customer. this research also have limitation and improvement. So the limitation of this research is the data scope. So if we conduct the process again, we have to ensure the dataset is sufficiently comprehensive to support a meaningful analysis. And the second one, the clustering technique. The clustering technique use the key means, like it's the most common one. And the future research should utilize other clustering methods, such as hierarchical, DB scans, or any other method that excel in the clustering in the mixed data. The third one is the marketing strategy would have bigger impact for the company if the dataset includes external factors, such as the retail market trend or competitor between the business lines. And the fourth one, the direct feedback from customer survey or interview is really needed to fully capture the customer needs or expectation while combining both quantitative and qualitative methods and marketing strategy effectiveness. So this is our reference. Thank you for listening to our research presentation.